8 real police chases. Ranked from a routine stop to 100 miles an hour with no way out. Number 1 is insane. Let's go. Number 8, Utah, an 80-mile-an-hour zone, and this driver blows through at 109.
So we're getting up to this car. It's just going, we had it at 109 miles per hour in an 80-mile-an-hour zone. Hello. Pretty good. Why are we going so fast?
I'm super sorry. Just lost track of the speed. I'm super
okay.
sorry.
Do you know how fast you were going? No idea. So 109 miles per hour.
I'm so sorry.
It's only 80, so almost 30 over. Do you have a driver's license with you?
Yes, sir.
You had no idea you were going that fast?
I had no idea. This car, I usually drive a big truck, and so I'm not used to it. I'm sorry.
Okay. Awesome. You got insurance? There's that. Just give me a second. I'll be right back up with you, okay?
Yeah.
So the driver of this car claims he has no idea he was going that fast. Said he just wasn't paying attention and didn't realize he was going 29 miles an hour over the speed limit. So in Utah, per statute, anything at 105 miles per hour or greater, regardless of the roadway you're on, is considered reckless driving in and of itself. Reckless driving in Utah is a Class B misdemeanor, which raises the fines, raises the severity of it, so it's a little bit higher than your normal speeding or traffic violation. Okay, for the speed, like I said, that's just way too fast to be going, okay? Almost 30 over the speed limit. So in Utah, anything at 105 miles per hour or greater is reckless driving. Okay, so that's what the citation's for tonight. It's for reckless where you met that threshold. Any questions on any of that?
Sorry, man.
So that's a misdemeanor, like that's an arrestable offense, so it's super too fast, okay? So let's keep it to 80, all right? Okay, any questions I can answer?
He thought sorry would cover it.
safe, okay?
Reckless. Number 7, another speeder until his name comes back with an active warrant.
94 miles an hour in an 80 mile an hour zone. Hello, what was that?
My window's not on.
Oh, your windows aren't rolled down? That's all right. All right. So reason for this stop is your speed. You were going a little bit fast up there when you were coming towards me. So
I looked down as soon as I saw you, and I was like,
did you get your license with you?
yeah.
How fast did you see when you looked down?
When I looked down, when I looked here, I saw 87.
87? Okay. Because you're using your phone for your GPS? Or your GPS for your speedometer? Oh, okay.
No.
Oh, so your speedometer's off a little bit?
Just by like 1 or 2.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so you, like I said, 94 there is what you measured at. Is it your car, looks like?
Yes.
Do you have proof of insurance for it too?
Yeah.
There's that back. Where are you guys heading to today?
Just going
Back home?
back.
What brought you guys down to California?
Just going to visit. There was a rave that we were going to.
Oh, okay.
So we were just out there for the weekend.
Gotcha, just for the weekend? Give me 1 second, I'll be right back up with you. Can I close this and then I'll just roll when I come back? Okay. So we stopped the vehicle for 94 miles an hour and an 80. When I talked to him, he said he saw he was going in the 80s. He motioned that he's looking at his GPS on his phone. He's got Google Maps pulled up, and I've seen that a lot with people using that. It's usually not the most reliable way
Saved by a
to measure your
technicality.
speed, but he said
Number 6, a nighttime DUI in Utah turns into a standoff of words until he refuses to blow.
I just want to make sure. Okay. Cool. Feet together, hands down by your side for me. Perfect. All right, and no other injuries, no illnesses, anything like that?
No, sir.
Perfect. All right, so you're going to follow the tip of my finger. Don't move your head. All right, got to keep following my finger, okay?
No, I am.
No, you're drifting. You're looking past it.
I'm just kind of nervous because.
That's all right.
No, I apologize.
No worries. Just take a deep breath, man. You'll be okay. Like you said, if you've had nothing to drink, then we'll be done here in a few minutes, okay?
Yeah, no, sir.
All right. Keep following my finger. Blah, 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 blah.
Okay, go ahead and pull that off for me. Pull up. Okay, here's arrows. All right, dude. I'm gonna kick you loose without anything. I'm gonna get you your license back.
I appreciate it.
What I want you to do, I want you to back up and then go the right way, okay?
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay. So I'm gonna have you stand just face this way for me. Perfect. Just like that, right? Nope. See right there. Right, nope, you're good. Right there.
Sorry.
You got a? Do you have a jacket?
Am I in the car? I don't know.
You want to see if he's got a jacket in there?
Like, I'm
Thank
not
you.
DUI, dude. I'm just trying to get them home. I'm just freezing.
I understand. Look, I got to make.
Like, what else can I do? Like,
We're gonna go through the next 2 tests, okay? Or next 3,
That's
and then
fine.
yeah.
That's fine. Yes, sir. Thank you. Like, I'm not DUI. Like, I don't consent with these. Like, I don't consent with these tests. Like, I'd like my lawyer present. Like, this is kind of ridiculous. I'm freezing my off out here.
It's not that cold. I'm in short sleeves.
That's fine. You're probably used to it, man. I'm not.
Hands behind the back.
California.
DUI. Number 5, Washington. A high-risk felony stop. 2 suspects. Guns drawn, every word a command.
You're stopping right here. South Elmwood, please. Just over the train tracks. Vehicle stopped. The connector's only someone.
Vehicle stop. Committing a felony stop, please.
Got the driver door open. Looks like passenger door open as well. Hands are up.
Parking line advising driver door open, hands are up, please.
Which side channel was?
Which one?
They're taking the passenger in custody and they're still talking to the driver. And they're taking both into custody right now.
Parking line advising taking both into custody.
Hands up. They chose right. Number 4. Renton, a pursuit tracked from the air. Triple-digit speeds, blacked out car.
The 2 units at 43rd have 1 in custody. We're going up to 405 now to catch the other one. Okay, Smoky 4 has the vehicle blacked out north 405.
Right, that should be 687 and 1222.
Yeah, west 90. Just splitting lanes and near collisions. It's that vehicle right in front of you there. That's the vehicle right in front of you.
1103 channel, center car takeoff.
Okay, deactivate, and we'll continue to follow.
3 southbound on Valley. It was a red Infiniti sedan.
Occupants are exiting the vehicle. There's the unit walking down the alley. The person's going to be just to your right when you come. Keep going straight down south down the alley. There they are. They're coming around the corner right there. And Smoky 4 confirm we have 2 in custody.
They bailed on foot. The chewed fur had them. Number 3, Utah. A 17-year-old clips the median and just keeps driving.
All right, so we came back up Trooper Durant over here on a traffic stop. He observed the vehicle hit the center median, actually hit it, and then keep driving. So he pulled her over. Driver was only 17 years old, could smell an odor of alcoholic beverage, had open containers in the car along with THC vape pen as well. He had to perform field sobriety test. Trooper Durant also did a PBT with that juvenile. She came back almost 3 times the legal limit. She was highly intoxicated and she was placed under arrest for DUI at that time. Let's see if I can do this. Thank you. Going wrong way right there?
Can I not go out this way or what?
Well, no, you can go out this way, but you went wrong way to get back through here.
Well, I know. I did go the wrong way.
Yeah.
As soon as I went down there, I was like...
You went, oh crap, and went into the parking lot. Yeah, I saw you.
I know.
All right.
I turned that way and I was like, oh, this is the one way.
Yeah. Where are you coming out of? Which parking lot?
3 times the limit. Arrested.
Which parking?
Number 2, Washington. Wrong way. Head on into traffic with a kid in the car.
Another female in the passenger seat.
So start rolling, slow down. So just, yep.
Do not follow the wrong way. Try to follow the right way. And hopefully we'll get it set up again.
They come back westbound from High Point. I took over ticket from the correct lanes of traffic.
1260, we're starting rolling, slow down. Okay, there it is right there. Okay, easy, easy. It's spinning out. Now it's facing the right way.
Full spin, off the road. Number 1, Interstate 90, 100 miles an hour, and the spike strips just hit.
The male driver looks Hispanic, light skin, black hair, with a red and white jacket.
Driver with a red and black jacket to the side.
And there's 2 vehicles now, and this is a Felony right in front of me trying to interfere from this pursuit. We're about 100 miles an hour. The fleeing vehicle's in lane 1.
Zero line with them, and I see the Infinity as well.
The Honda has a flat tire, the rear right tire is flat. This car is falling apart from the rear bumper.
Honda has a flat tire falling apart ticket.
Exiting the High Point. Sorry, we were coming from Highlands when I originally stopped him. He yelled out the window that he has a kid and he's losing control. We're on the off ramp. He's lost control, faced the wrong way.
Anything, man?
The vehicle lost control, exiting to High Point from Highlands. Subject to the child and vehicle today.
No tires, no control. Which one was the real breaking point? Drop it in the comments and subscribe to Split Second. New rankings drop every single day.
Pursuit. We're about 100